Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most jaw-dropping machines on wheels. Today I'm about to show you something that feels almost impossible to believe. This isn't just a truck. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star resort. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is here. And yes, it comes with a private cinema, a jacuzzi, and so much more. If you think trucks are only built for hauling freight, this will change everything you've ever believed about the open road. From the outside, the Kenworth T2000 still looks like a beast. That iconic aerodynamic nose, the chrome accents, the sheer power under the hood, it's a 510 horsepower monster ready to dominate highways. But step inside, and you're transported into a completely different universe. Imagine opening the door of a truck and walking straight into luxury living. That's exactly what happens here. The living room feels like a hotel lounge. Plush reclining chairs, a massive 4K smart TV, and a custom surround sound system make this space perfect for entertainment or family time. Every surface screams premium, from polished wood finishes to ambient LED lighting that shifts to your mood. And yes, when you want the real theater experience, head into the private cinema room. A full projection system, tiered seating, and soundproof walls mean you're watching your favorite movie just like in a theater, except this one is on wheels. Now let's move to the kitchen. It's not just functional, it's beautiful. Granite countertops, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, oven sink, and even a dining table with seating. It's designed so you can cook like a pro anywhere your journey takes you. Forget gas station snacks, this is gourmet on demand. The bedroom is pure relaxation. A king-size memory foam bed, golden accent lighting, climate control, and hidden storage make it a private retreat. The materials feel expensive because they are imported wood. Premium fabrics and noise-insulating walls give you absolute comfort. And the bathroom? This isn't a cramped little RV washroom. You get a full spa-inspired space with a rainfall shower, marble tiles, and yes, a jacuzzi tub. Imagine driving across America and ending your day, soaking in bubbles while watching the sunset from your window. That's the life this machine offers. This motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about redefining what life on the road can be. It's freedom, luxury, and raw power, all fused into one rolling masterpiece. So if you love machines that break the rules and set new standards, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Plus, and stay tuned, because the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution.